In this video for Echoes in the Mirror, we're going to go through the two sections of the piece where the pattern is played staggered between two groups. The first one is where the pattern is staggered by 8 beats. So Group A start off playing the pattern and Group B start playing the pattern 8 beats later. The second staggered section is offset by 1 beat. So the way we're going to achieve this is while Group A are playing the do-con beats, Group B are going to start with a kiki and then come in with the pattern.